Guys, YouTube just rolled out an important update, which is literally going to 10x your visibility simply by making use of YouTube Shorts. Now, about 2 weeks ago, they rolled out 5 ways that you can actually use YouTube Shorts to grow your channel in terms of getting views, subscribers, and also watch time hours. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with us these 5 updates and how you can apply it on your channel effectively for you to get that maximum visibility. So as usual, try your best to make sure to pay maximum attention. And with that much being said, let's dive straight into the video. So first of all, we're going to be going through the email I got directly from YouTube. And we're going to be viewing this from their official website. Now, if you can see on the screen, 5 ways to use YouTube Shorts to grow your channel. So 5 different new updates were listed out here. So we're going to be delving into it one after the other, and I'll try my best to be fast with it, okay? Now, the very first update we have here is the poll sticker. Now, if you are a short creator or if you watch a lot of short videos, sometimes you come across some poll stickers on some videos. Now, if you've been wondering what is the usefulness of these and how can I even use it to grow my own channel, this is what YouTube says. The poll sticker lets you type out a custom question with 2 straightforward options. So this is more like the YouTube community posts, just like the way we have YouTube community posts, where you can always interact and engage with your viewers, irrespective of how small your channel is. Every single tool you see on YouTube here, they are very, very important. Most especially if you know how to use them the right way. Now, this is a prompt you can try. For example, what video should I make next? A or B? Or do you want to see me review X or Y? Now, let's say for instance, you upload it could be an African folktale story, or it could be a food, it could be a recipe. Then at the end of the day, you just make use of the poll sticker to ask your audience, do you want a part 2 of this? Definitely they are going to be interested, and if that video happens to perform very well, you're going to be getting a yes or a no answer. So this helps you to connect more with your audience. I have been seeing this thing on so many short videos for a while now, but I never knew that, oh, this is something I can actually do on my own channel. So I'm going to advise you as a short creator, go ahead and give this a try, okay? Now, without wasting much of our time, let us delve into the number 2 update, which is known as the quiz sticker. This is also a mind blowing one. It's just almost like the poll sticker on, almost the same procedure. So, this particular quiz sticker lets you enter a question. You can provide 2 answers and mark the correct one. Now, examples or prompts that you can try out is, which of these is actually a total might, or how much do you think this setup actually costs? How many tries did it take to film this transition? To set up this, what you simply have to do is to log on to your YouTube channel. From that short aspect, go ahead. I think from the icon on the screen, select on this quiz sticker, and you can use it to maybe drop a question just to make your channel, your video interactive. Now, this does not apply to every single niche on YouTube. No, try to check out your niche and try to check out if this is actually suitable for your channel. Then if it is, go ahead and give it a try. Okay. Now let us go over to the third update, which is known as a question and answer sticker. I think all these they are in line. That is that literally almost the same thing. So the Q and answer sticker lets you ask your viewers some certain question, and viewers can type out their custom text response. This is actually very, very great. I think I see this more on TikTok, and in fact, I believe these updates actually helps you to connect more with your viewers, to connect more with your audience. So these are prompts you can also try. What video are you most interested in me making next? What is the single biggest roadblock stopping you from hitting your goals right now? You might maybe drop a prayer short video, and you just go ahead and use this question and answer on one tiny side of the screen and ask your viewers question. Where exactly do you need God currently in your life? It's going to make anybody watching that video to immediately drop comments. And one thing you need to understand today is that comments actually help in your video visibility. If you're a type that whenever you post video, you have people to always drop comments, it increases the engagement of that video. So I believe this is one of the wonderful benefits of this update. And if I am a full short time creator, I will definitely be trying all of these things out. Okay. And now we have the number fourth update, which is known as the Add Yours sticker. This is also a very, very beautiful way for you to literally connect more with your audience, with your viewers, building a stronger community. Okay, now this is what it's all about. Instead of just asking the question, use the Add Your sticker to start an ongoing trend. When you post a prompt, your viewers can directly respond by filming and linking their own shots to your original video. So every new video created keeps the chain alive, exposing your prompt and channel to entirely new corners of the platform. So this is actually going to work more if you happen to have some creators as your audience. Okay, just like someone like me now, I believe most people that click on my content to watch most of the time actually want to get updates on how to do this on YouTube, how to set up this. So if I actually do something like this and that video happens to perform well, definitely most of my viewers or some of my audience, which is you and I watching this video right now, can literally hop on the challenge, and this is going to help announce my channel more. Okay, so now a very good example is show me your work setup. Maybe I just displayed what a day in my life look like or my shooting setup. Then I can just go ahead and drop this Add Yours sticker. Show me your own work setup. So I am expecting you to make a video and get back to me. Definitely most people are going to be trying it. Now once you try it, my own, that is, I'm going to be visible to your viewers. Do you understand? So this is more like somebody promoting your channel, and also that person making the video is as well going to benefit. So that is just the benefits of this particular audio sticker. Now let us delve into my most favorite, which is this number five. I never knew this particular update is already available on YouTube. I literally make use of it more on my new UK TikTok account, but I never knew this can be possible on YouTube. So after this video, I'm going to be trying it on my other lifestyle channel because I love this particular one. It helps you to interact more with your audience. It even helps you to like go viral because this is actually one tool that helped me blow up my UK TikTok account. And if you do it wisely, the right way, it will definitely work out. Okay. So this is basically you using a video to respond to a comment somebody drop on your video. Let's say for instance, I post this video on my YouTube short and somebody drops a comment, oh princess, can I see what the email look like? So instead of just replying her, okay, go over to your YouTube or go to YouTube official website and search for it, I can just make a video and show her on the screen recording how to do it. So this is basically how it works, okay? And for you to do it is very, very easy. What you simply have to do is to open your YouTube shorts as usual, find a comment you want to respond to, tap on the camera icon, then open the short creation and make your video. It can be 5 seconds, it can be 10 seconds, 15 seconds. It depends on what exactly you want to respond to that commenter. Okay. So this is actually a very, very good way creators use to connect more deeply with their audience. And honestly, if I am a short creator, I'm definitely going to be trying out every of these updates that I've shared with us. Okay. So now let me know in the comment section. Are you familiar with this update already? Because I just bumped into it this afternoon when I was going through all the mails I've been getting from YouTube. And believe me when I say this is just part one. Part two is coming up, and that one is literally going to blow your mind, because this one is more like helping you build that community for a better visibility and engagement. Why the second one that I'm going to be sharing with us is to boost your video, that is your long form video visibility, which is if you're posting long form video, but if you're not posting long form video, it's going to help build your short visibility. And I can't wait to share that particular update with us soon. Okay. So now let me know in the comments, are you already familiar with this update? Have you tested it on your channel, and how far with it? Okay. And also make sure to do well to like this video. If you've never done so, do well to make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to be a part of this amazing, beautiful family. And as always, I'm going to see you all in my next one. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.